Hi, I'm Damien.
I'm Mitch.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Glenn.
And we're the Chicago Typewriters. We're currently working on our first album. However, we lack the funds to finish production and start manufacturing. As a band, we love to project our energy and have it reflected right back to us. We're hoping to get out on the road and be able to share our music with as many people as possible. We love playing shows and interacting with new people.
However, we will not be able to do this without your help. With your support, we will be able to raise the funds necessary to get our dream up and running. With the projected income, we will establish merchandise for ourselves, go on tour, as well as finish our album.
We are from Anderson, Indiana. If you've seen Amber Portwood from Teen Mom, or HBO's Dirty Driving, or the world's largest magnesium fire, then you must understand that we gotta get out of here. This is our hometown and we love it, but there is no musical opportunity of any sort here.
Take a moment to check out our fabulous rewards section to the right of your screen. If you're feeling generous enough to donate, we'd love to reciprocate in any way that we can, up to and including an exclusive live performance for you and your friends. If you love music as much as we do, it's guaranteed to love you back. Again, we are the Chicago Typewriters. Thank you so much for your time and consideration, and please pass this video along to your friends and family.
We love the Chicago Typewriters!
Like, I don't know any other band that's practicing 4 days out of the week, 8 hours for each session. Like, that's dedication.
For a startup band, I couldn't ask for anything better, honestly.